You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I said correctly, yes, I know. Too many people get this wrong. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got many more fantastic, very interesting videos for you. There are two different ways of pronouncing it, I'm afraid, hence the confusion here. The British English pronounces it as download, with a stress on the load syllable. So let's break down the sounds. Down, load. So in the UK, download, stress on the load syllable. Now in the US, it's the other way around. The stress goes on the down syllable, so it sounds like download. So British pronunciation, download. American pronunciation, download. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.